In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Squarespace website for beginners. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the editor, updating content, adjusting your design, and getting your site ready to share. First, head to squarespace.com and log in. From the home menu, select the site you want to work on. That opens the site editor where you can see your pages and make changes in real time. Think of this as your workspace. What you click is what you edit. Before you dive in, get familiar with the main panels. The Pages panel is where you add, rename, and reorder pages. The Design panel controls your site's overall look, fonts, colors, spacing, and more. The Settings panel handles behind-the-scenes items like SEO, domains, and general configuration. If you're selling products, you'll also see a commerce area for managing your store. To edit a page, open Pages, hover over the one you want, and click Edit. Squarespace uses content blocks, so click directly on any text block to start typing or paste your content. Use the small toolbar to format text, add headings, or insert links. If you need to update an image, click the image block, then replace it, resize it, or add a link. A quick tip: use high-quality, compressed images to keep your site fast and sharp. When you're ready to refine the look and feel, go to Design, then Site Styles. Here you can set consistent fonts and colors, adjust spacing for breathing room, and tweak buttons and navigation so everything feels cohesive. If you're comfortable with code, there's a custom CSS option, but it's entirely optional. Most beginners can do everything within Site Styles. Need a new page or want to organize your menu? Back in Pages, click the plus icon to add a page. Choose a type like blank, blog, gallery, or store, drag pages up or down to reorder them, and drag one under another to create drop-downs for a cleaner navigation. Each page also has its own settings. Click the gear icon to rename the page, change its URL, add an SEO title and description, and set a social sharing image. These small details help search engines understand your site and make your links look great when shared. If you're using commerce, go to Inventory to add or edit products. Each product includes images, descriptions, and pricing. Then visit Commerce Settings to customize checkout, shipping, and tax. Finally, click Preview to see how your site looks on desktop and mobile. When you're happy, click Publish or simply exit editing. Squarespace auto-saves as you go. That's it. You've just learned the essentials of editing a Squarespace site. Thanks for watching.